Calendly Workflows is the way to automate the notifications that are sent to customers after they make a booking. It is important to know that a workflow can have multiple automations, but in this tutorial we are going to create a workflow by just sending the confirmation email template that was previously created. In the side menu, click on Configuration Center. Go to the Flows option. Select After Booking Workflow. We don't have any workflows yet. To create one, click on New. To identify the workflow, the first thing to do is to type the workflow alias. When you have it, click on Add. The next step is to edit the workflow to include the automation. First, we must add the trigger. Pull down the menu and select the trigger. Then add the action of the automation. Pull down the menu and select the action, Send Confirmation Email. Choose the template you want to use. Choose the email account from which the confirmation will be sent. You can also add the ICS file in the confirmation. To update the workflow, click on Save. When you come back to the workflows, the one you have created will appear. For the workflow to be active, it is necessary to assign the events. Select the events and click on Save. In this way, the workflow is operational and the chosen confirmation template will be sent to the assigned events. Now, you know how to create a workflow with a single trigger. In the next tutorials we will see how to create a workflow with multiple triggers.